Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at this, which is the Bellroy Laneway tote pack. So as the name suggests, this is a tote bag and a backpack in one. And I actually have been using this for a couple of months now. This is the fawn colorway. It also does come in black, so I would probably go for the black one if you didn't want marks like this to show up on there. But essentially, I had been using this as kind of like a tote bag, work bag. I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of the bag to start with. So it has a Bellroy logo here, and then you get two front pockets, which when they are empty, they look quite neat, like so. But when you do pack them out, they kind of bulge a little bit, like so, which can look a bit awkward or unusual. On the back, you have these straps. And these are actually quite generous and quite comfortable straps for a tote pack. I did also look at the light tote bag, and this does have a similar comfort level to that one. So this is an 18-liter bag, and it is about 500 grams. So it is relatively lightweight, but as I said, these straps are very comfortable, and it is actually very comfortable to wear it in a backpack formation. These are easily collapsible, so if you unclip them like so, and you'll notice these are actually like metal, but they easily just tuck away down into this rear compartment. So one thing this actually does lack is a strap here to hold it onto like luggage, like a luggage pass-through. But I believe this is more sort of a metro sort of bag that you would be using for work, not necessarily traveling. So taking a look at the top, you have a sort of recessed zipper here, and opening into the main compartment, you have the Bellroy logo there, two pockets on either side. These are great for water bottles or umbrellas and stuff like that. And then in the main area, you have a Bellroy tag down here, and this actually is like a little pocket. So the size of this as well, it actually fits an air tag, so that's a little spot you can put an air tag if you did want to. And then on the back you have a sort of slip pocket. So you could use this for a laptop. I have done that, but it's stopped before the ground, so the actual laptop would hit the ground if you did put it in there. And it's not especially padded, so it has this padding at the back, but on the bottom here there is actually no additional padding, so I would probably put the laptop into a sleeve before putting it in here, but it's not super wide like so. I think you would probably want to put smaller laptops in here, probably 13 or 14 inch would be the maximum. So inside the front pockets, you have a single zip into those ones. And then on this side, you have a lanyard, which is also metal, which is very nice. That's just one sort of dump pocket there. And then on this side, you have the same pocket, but it has a sort of a halfway down shelf pocket, which you could put, which I would put my earphones or earbuds in there, and a few things like keys and stuff. That's pretty much it. But from my use, I found that these pockets did get a little bit scattered and not hard to find things, but it's probably just not quite as much organization as I would have liked. They could have perhaps put like a extra zippered pocket somewhere, maybe even like a small pocket somewhere on the back here. That you can use this compartment where the straps are as a pocket, but it doesn't have any sort of organization or shelves or anything in there. The inside here as well, I feel like there should have been a pocket on this front panel, just like a little slip pocket or a small little pocket there, or even perhaps on this side there could have just been a little extra pocket there. Because I find with this bag, a lot of things kind of just go all the way to the bottom. So when you carry things, they're just kind of all, especially smaller things, they kind of all accumulate down the bottom here. So these bottom pockets became like bulgy like this with items. And the same thing for the main compartment. I found myself digging through here to try and find things when, if there was a small shelf pocket on either side, it would have been a little bit easier. So that's it there, a quick look at the Bellroy Laneway tote pack in the fawn colorway. Definitely do like this bag if you're looking for a tote pack. This is one of the better ones, especially in terms of the backpack comfort and straps. But if you're looking for something with a bit more organization or quick access, I would probably look at something else. like the Tokyo Tote or something along those lines. I actually found that using the Tokyo Tote in conjunction with this was quite a nice combo. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next video.